Hi all, welcome back. Welcome back to another video for this playlist. As you know, in this playlist we are creating a powerful backend which can serve some API endpoints and some HTML content in Rust. Okay, so till now we have seen the overview of this whole playlist, what we are going to learn, and after that, in previous video we have seen how we can install Rust in our system. I hope you all have done that part. If not done, probably what you can do, just go to the description and you will find the playlist. Okay. Once you will be here, you will get all the videos. Those are related to this playlist. Okay. Currently, two videos are available and they are here. And currently, I'm shooting the third video. Great. So this is a course, like this is a website that you can access, and in previous video I have told you how you can access it. Just go to your browser and write code dot I plus t dot in. Okay, just write this and hit enter, and you will be able to access this website. Currently I'm on a local host because I have made some changes so that I can show you. Cool. So here is a course of Rust backend server. What you will do, view this uh, basically course. So these I have explained in previous videos. We will directly jump to our lessons, and we will jump to our third class because this is a third video of this playlist. If I click on view third class, so I will redirect on this page. Here I have shown basically how we can create a static API endpoint which can serve some data in Rust. We know it's too easy in Node.js or any other framework to serve a static API data, but in Rust it's too complex. But don't worry, I am here with you. I will guide you every point, every scenario that can be possible. So till now, as you have seen this page, I hope you are aware what will be the going behind. Okay. Here we will see an overview. You will get a video here. Overview will be this will be ultra fast. We will make type safe so that any unnecessary memory usage will not be there, or garbage collection will not be there. By the way, Rust will give us error if we are even doing, but still we will make it more secure. Now the configuration is too easy, but in this video we are not going to do that, but sure we will learn how we can. After that, we will in previous video we have seen how we can create a project structure. We will be using the same structure, and in this video we will create these 3 points. We will define the route. Basically on the base URL we will hit one URL. Okay? Cool. Now next is JSON response. We will see how we can return a JSON response, and next we will see how we can configure our server. Cool. Next, here I have mentioned some performance, how it is. Basically, I believe till now Rust is super fast among all the frameworks, all the programming languages. Yet I can see. So here, by default, it's asynchronous, and you can read more about this that I have mentioned. We want to just directly jump to our main part of this video. Okay, implementation you can view here, and next if I show you, this is a sample response we can return from here. Okay, okay, cool. And here I have explained what we are going to do in today's video. And next we can test it through your terminal, or you can view it on your browser, or if you are using any JavaScript framework, then you can do somehow like that. Okay, cool. Next, I have shown you the benchmarks, or we can say a performance benchmark in Rust. Okay, so currently you can see performance comparison that I have did. I was actually looking, is Rust good for us to learn or not, and I came really it's really good. You can see here with the Rust plus actix-web that we are going to use is ultra fast, and go plus gin, it's 40% sorry 30% less in speed or concurrency, we can say, from Rust. Node.js plus express, it's 75, not 75, 65. Next, Python, it's really too lagging. we can say just 80%, not just, it's too much by the way. Okay, so this all like in today's theory, I have mentioned it here. So what you can do, just go to the website, you can read from there, you can get the reference. Okay, so let's jump to the code actually. What today we are going to code, and we will make sure that we are doing everything as our requirement. Okay, cool. So what we will do, we will come to our project. So as you know, this is our project. In previous video we have created this project Rust, and this is our main file. Okay, we don't have even edited anything yet. So first of all, we will import the dependencies. Like we will install the dependencies which whatever we need. Okay, so first of all we need actix-web, of course, actix-web, and the version of actix-web we will be using here for. Okay, so you don't need to mention this actix-web, just you can google this which is the latest version, so that we can use that the latest version. Okay, so now next we have Serde, and the version for this we will be using, and the version is 1. Okay, we will be using 1.0. Now next is we need features. Like there are a lot of features in one package. Okay, features, so we will be using here in a square bracket, because features can be a lot and we can install a lot many packages here. Okay, but right now we are needing drive only. Okay, cool. Now next we need like Serde underscore Json. The reason for this is because we will be handling our Json data in Rust, so we need this package also. Next is a Tokyo, which is needed to render uh, data. Okay, these are the 4 packages, and version we need the same, but the drivers will be different. So let me copy it. Okay, so macros we need. Next will be rt, means Rust multi-threading. We need here multi-thread. Okay, cool. These are the packages we need to run a server. Okay, cool. These are the 4 packages you can note down. Okay, cool. This is a basically an overview of our cargo.toml file. Now we will come to our main file. Okay, and first of all what we will do, uh, we will basically, or we will do control Z, and first of all we will install the packages, like whatever the packages are there, we need to install them. So for them, what we can do, just simply you can make a cargo run, and this will automatically start installing your packages. These are installed, and like when you are doing it first time, it will install a lot of packages. No need to fear from them, just give a time to them to install, and they will be installed. Now what we can do, we can easily remove code from here using, like, from our main.rs file. What you can do, we need to use our actix-web. So I hope any suggestions. So React, let's install some extension. Okay, Rust suggestions, if we get some package. Okay, here I have one Rust package, this basically extension. You can also install this. This is nothing too complicated to, if you are not installing, just you can install it. Okay, and now next let's wait. Okay, it is installed, and now if I come here inside my main file, so what I can do, use edX. Do I'm getting any suggestions? Let's wait till it's loading the data. As you can see at the bottom, it's Rust analyzing. After that, it's building the artifacts for us. Okay, cool. Till then we can write it by our own web, and from this we will be importing some like some methods. First will be get, second will be web, oh sorry, app, because we need to start a server. Third will be HTTP. Are we getting? No. HTTP response. Next will be HTTP server. Okay, next will be respond, like whatever the respond we need to do. Okay, responder. Okay, fine, this is a responder, and I believe we are done. Okay, response, and so now even you can see we are getting suggestions. Okay, cool. Now we have imported these. Now we will use a second Serde, and this will be stabilizer. Okay, cool. Next we will be using std colon path. By the way, this we don't need, let it be. Okay, these are the two files that we need to import. Now next is we need to define, like we need to make a structure. What structure we need to return in form of a JSON format. Okay, so we will make here drive, and drive will be serialize. Okay, cool. Now next is we need to create a structure. So this is a structure, and API. Okay, API info, we can make it, like name can be anything here, by the way. It's not specific to the to name. Okay, so we will return only two things. So first will be endpoint, and endpoint will be somehow string, it will be. Okay, and this will be static. Okay, so if we are returning some static thing now, then we need to mention that this is a static. Okay, and next is a message. So our message will be, what will be our message? Okay, we can make it static even. Okay, static and str. Okay, cool. So this is a structure that we will be following to return an API endpoint to, and we will not be doing much more thing. Okay, so now we will define one get method here. Okay, and one sec. Okay, one get method will be there, and that will be targeting to our base URL. Okay, so we will create one async function, and JSON, or we can say base API. Okay, yeah, cool. We will mark it as base API, and now see, whatever the data we will get, it will come inside these brackets, and whatever we are returning, like whether we are returning HTML data, or whether we are returning any kind of data, like it can be JSON, it can be HTML format, or anything. We need to mention here like what we are doing. Okay, so we will returning here one HTTP response, which will be served on we can say basically browsers. Okay, on specific endpoint that we will mention. Okay, so cool. Now what we need basically here, we will design our API response, like how it will be. So here we have same as in JavaScript, we have let, but this is not exactly same because it's completely different. We will see uh, in further videos. Okay, how it is. So now we will say API info, and API info means we are taking a reference from here. Okay, so this is a structure we are doing, and we need to define the structure. So we will, our endpoint is get, and next is message. So message will be our what will be message? uh, API is working. Okay, cool. We have this method. Currently, we are getting train bond. Responder is not satisfied. Responder. Okay, responder is not satisfied because we are not returning yet anything. Cool. We will use HTTP response colon okay. This will be an okay method, means everything successfully working fine, and this will be in a JSON format, and the value will be our res. Okay, so let me make it res. Okay, cool. This is a simple way that we will be using here semicolon. Okay, cool. Now that's fine, and here we are getting one more error, that main function not created in Rust. Okay, cool. Now let's create a main function also. So for that we will make hashtag actix-web, and this will be our main function. Okay, so this will be our entry point of our you can say project. Okay, so this is we are creating one async function, and this will be as main as at the time of hello world it was, right? So here we will define like we are returning our server, okay, which will start on running. So here we will make a result, and this will be, I guess, anything. Okay, cool. Now we will be having mistake. Okay, let me copy it first. This will come outside the brackets, by the way. Okay, so cool. And now next we will be uh, uh, starting our server. We need to configure our server, so we will say http server, and we need to initialize our new server. So new, and factory nothing we will make it for now, just we will make it as an optional, and we will register our app. Okay, so we have imported app here. Okay, so we need to register our app, and this will be new, and we will call this. And now we need to start our this JSON message also. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we will make here services, and services will be the function name, so that is base API. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do next, we need to bind this on some port, because uh, by default in Rust it's not binded on any point or like any port. We need to define it by our own. Okay, so cool. So what we need to do, we will make sure that it's on our local host. So our local host, what is our local host? 127.0.1, correct? This is our port, and sorry, the IP, and what will be our port? This will be our specific port. Okay, and now next is we will make it run, and next is we will await it. Cool. Till now we have done, I guess, our server, and we can run it right now. Okay, let me figure it out if anything is missing. uh, I believe everything is done. So guys, try to understand what is happening here. We have imported a few libraries, or we can say some packages that will help us to start a server. Second is we have designed the API response. So okay, third is we have created a route. Okay, and next is we have we have created a main function which will be an entry point for our Rust application, and now it's time to run it. What we will do right now, so I will do here npm, sorry, it's not npm, it's cargo. I am also familiar a lot with node.js. Okay, not an issue. So it's a cargo run. Okay, and if I hit enter, so currently it's building. Okay, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds on the basis of our Rust application size. Okay, it can take a long time if our Rust server code is too big. Okay, I think this is done also, and it's running. Okay, cool. We have not printed anything, that's why we are not getting any print in our terminal. Okay, cool. So right now what we will do, we will basically hit our local host 8080, and let's see what will be there. So this is our localhost 8080, and if we enter, so you can see our entry point is this, and message we are getting is API is working. Perfect. So now what we will see, the uh, like response time, what is the time we are getting. Okay, so we will see the status test. Let me. Okay, we are hitting our base URL and port is 8080. That's running perfectly. If I send here, so you can see we have got it the message static data. Okay, in just 9 seconds. If I hit again, this is a 6 second. Okay, sometime it can be 3 second depending on your system. My system is not that much powerful. It's currently too much heating. Okay, not an issue. It can come up to 2 second also. So as I have shown you a benchmark here. uh, Here I believe you can see here like sometime it can be 0.2 millisecond. That is really too fast. Okay. Okay, so that's all guys. I hope now you are aware how we can create a rest API endpoint. Now this is nothing guys. This is if you are thinking like, oh, what is this, this like we can get this same output in another language also. So I would love to tell you, if you are creating this Rust binary file, then this is not decodable. Your project, your code will be completely secure, and it will be in a binary form, then like 0 or 1 format. It will be ultra fast. Trust me, it will be ultra fast. On we will deploy when we have something to deploy. We will use AWS also to deploy it. But right now, just you can see this is a debug build. By the way, we will see how we can create a release build. There's a command to make a release build also. We can do that part also, but not right now because we don't have anything. Okay, cool guys. I hope you're enjoying this video, and you have created a basic endpoint in your a local machine and you are getting an output. If you are facing any issue, and if you want to make contact for anything, if you want to give me some suggestions for implementing this course, you can tell me. I know my speed can be slow. I want you to guide from every point too. Okay, so that's all guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you are not following this playlist, please do go follow the playlist. I will be exploring every point, every scenario, how we can do. And in next video we will be creating multiple routes. So it's currently it's only get method, right? But in a production level there can be thousands of the routes, or we can say 10,000, we don't know. So defining all the routes and their logics in a same file can be too tricky to understand and to maintain even. So we will use folders. We will create folders. We will create files. Okay, so that's all guys. We will catch up you in next video. We will explore more Rust. We will code more about Rust. So thank you so much, and catch up you in next video. Do follow the playlist, and you can hit the like button and can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.